you asked me to record a video for you, so here's a video. I have contributed a lot in this project, so I will go ahead and describe to you what I have done so far. So here, like I said, since Maham was away, I contributed a lot on the design aspect of it. So here, as you can see, I did a lot of CSS for the home page. So I added the background color, I added the image, I added the copyrights, the contact information, and also all the social medias here as well. And now I also did a lot for about, so I created this entire page, and I will show you how it looks on the website. But in this code, I am using a React function component for our about page. As you can see, I'm using React here. I'm using the navigation bar. Sorry, I'm using the navigation bar with different links sections, which include home, user, sign up, sign in, sign out, about products, contact, and admin. And the this is okay. So yeah, this is the image that so this is the front page that is using the image. So the main contact of the page features an image displaying jewelry image that users can navigate through using the next and previous button, which I will show you when I do the demonstration on the website. I have also added a I have also added a description for our mission right here, as you can see. I have our mission here, which describes everything in a paragraph, and then I'm using the header 2 for our vision here as well. And then I have, if you scroll down, I have this is what our customer says. So in here, I'm using paragraph as well. So this is customer feedback. Um, yeah, I'm using customer feedback here and the footer containing our social media. So if I scroll down, this is all I have for the customers for the feedback. And then here I have the contact information. So uh, the phone number, email address, etc. And then I'm using the copyright here as well. So I will show you how it looks like. So if you go about, so here you can see I'm using the images right here, which I was talking about before, and the user can go next and previous ones as well. And here you can search by category. So earrings, jewel, necklaces, rings, bracelets, and this is the mission that I was t telling you about. So I wrote this in a paragraph, and this is done in a footer. So what our customer says, I did in a footer, and then this is the copyright, and then I have the contact information and our social medias here. And then so this is my CSS. I also did all the CSS. So as you can see, I did the body, margin padding, and I did the font style. So I went with this font, and then I also designed the nav bars. Yeah, I did all the nav bars, the headers H1, H2. I did the images as well. Yeah, footer, social links, social media links, and contact information, copyright. This is the Gmail icon. Yeah, so this is like buttons and things like that. So this is all the CSS for about.jsx. And then I also did the card, which I told you about. So this is my code for the card. So in this code, I am importing necessary dependencies, including um, using React useState and useEffect hooks. So here you can see useState and useEffect hooks right here, and I have a style sheet called card.css. I'm doing all the styling here as well. My A- H2 header, my cart container, and the cart table as well. And yeah, use effect here. And in the component function, I am initializing state using the useState hook, which creates local storage data to manage the local storage information. The useEffect hook is employed to fetch and parse data from the local storage. My cart.jsx structure um, includes a container with heading your shopping cart. So here, as you can see, it's right here. I'm using header 2. And in here, I have a table with headers. In here, I have a table with header item name, quantity, and price. I am creating table rows for mapping over the key. Yeah, over the key value pairs obtained from local storage. For each entry it determines whether it represents a product, adjusts the item's name accordingly, and formats the quantity and then price displays. And here you can see I have all my closing tags here. And yeah, I also did this page as well, products page.jsx. So So in this products page component, I am creating a React page that displays a collection of products fetched by API. So here you can see I'm using React. So the component imports other React components such as card. Here you can see card, um, product container title, and drop down. It establishes a state variable using the useState hook to manage the product list, filtered product, base category, available category, a shopping cart, loading, and error state. So if I scroll down here, you can see all of that here. useState, error here. Yeah, you can see all of that. And this page also includes a navigation bar. So if I scroll down here, so yeah, here as you can see, it has a navigation bar here with a title, a drop-down menu for filtering products by category, and a summary of the shopping cart with a link to the cart page. So in this page, I have organized each jewelry by category. So a ring has a category, a necklace has a category, and all the other jewelry also has a category. And each category has a add to cart, which a user can add each product to the cart. And yeah, I think that's about it. I also did the CSS for this, the products page.css. As you can see, I did the bot HTML, I did the font family, the background color, and I did the nav bar, cart summary, product container. I also designed the add to cart. And yeah, that's it. I will show you how it functions on the page. So here, as you can see, this is all the products right here. So if I want to go ahead and add this diamond necklace, let's say ruby rings as well. So let's go to my cart now. So here you can see it's added here, diamond necklace and ruby rings.